What is Neofetch? It is an amazing tool, and if you have Arch, it will be pre-installed. So the first thing you need to do is open a new terminal window. There we go. Now you just got to type Neofetch. If you have Arch Linux or Neofetch already installed, and you'll see all of these statistics about your systems. So here we go. This is basically my properties, like my GPU, CPU, RAM. You can also run it again and it will update your RAM usage. So we're using just under 4 gigabytes of RAM right now with these programs open. So I would say we're doing pretty good for memory usage. And now I've shown you my Neofetch screen. So if you don't have it already, and you're on Debian based distros, you can do sudo apt install Neofetch. But obviously this is not going to work here because we're on Arch. See, sudo apt command not found is the problem here with this system, which is sort of a shame. So yeah, that was Neofetch demo. Very short video, but I hope you could discover a bit of Linux terminology.